welcome back, YouTubers. We got some American Adventure pins. When these first came out, my sister-in-law was a pass holder at Disneyland and she could not get her hands on any of these because they were sold out. They re-released them again and I was able to get 2 boxes. It's a 54 pin collection. Each box contains 2 randomly selected pins. And some of them are chasers.
Oh, that's low.
Yeah. The chaser pins are limited edition of 200. Alright, so we're going to open up 2. I'm hoping for California, just because we live in California. That would be nice.
Where's California?
It's right there. But we're going to be happy with any of the pins that we get in here.
You ever get Disneyland?
Disneyland is in California, yes. Oh, look, there is.
Oh, my. Look at the guy.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
It's a big one.
It is. Wow, that's way cool.
Whoa, that's really big.
Those are the different pins. So California's got Mickey and Minnie on it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where's...
Oh, look at Texas is pretty cool. I like Hawaii with Daisy Duck. Okay, so we're gonna open these up and see what we get.
Which one is America?
That whole thing is America, baby.
Oh, I mean, where's Disneyland?
Disneyland is right there.
Right next to it?
Okay, first one. I'm not sure. I think this is Maine. And it's got Pete and Daisy, and it looks like Professor Von Drake.
Well, it's right here. I can see it on the map.
Yeah.
Let's match it.
I'm not sure what that is, baby. I knew I was going to get an Eastern state that I wasn't going to know. Okay. The next one.
This is hard to know.
Yeah, that's okay. And Huey, Dewey, and Louie. And I think this one's a chaser. It is a chaser pin of 200. That's way cool.
I can't find that one.
Because it is that one.
Where is it?
Right there. It's 2 different states. Oh, it's got New Jersey, New York, and Pennsylvania on it. Oh, and this helps you. It has Michigan, Rhode Island, and Connecticut. Okay,
it's
so
right
this is 3 states. Yeah, that's cool. Alright, let's open up the next one.
We have 2 pins.
Yeah. And there's another little map. We're just going to keep that one nice and folded, okay?
After me.
Okay. And we got the same one. What a bummer. So we got doubles.
Yes,
So if we get a chaser in this one, that'll be kind of cool. 2 chasers. And we did. We got another chaser with Huey, Dewey, and Louie.
We got T-Seeds again.
So we got exactly the same box twice, which is kind of a bummer. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We're probably going to have to buy some more of these.
Let's go.